Smooth English, Mastering Contractions in Connected Speech. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting and incredibly useful topic: using contractions in connected speech. This is a vital part of mastering English pronunciation and can really make a difference in how fluent you sound. So, let's get started. First things first, we need to clarify what we mean by contractions. In English, a contraction is a shortened form of a word or multiple words. For example, I am becomes I'm, do not becomes don't, and so on. These contractions are used frequently in English, especially in spoken language, and it helps make your speech sound more natural and fluid. But why are contractions so important in connected speech? Well, in English, it's common for words to link or connect together in a sentence, especially in informal speech. Contractions are a significant part of this linking, as they help us speak more quickly and smoothly. This is crucial if you want to sound more like a native speaker. Here's where things get a bit more specific. When using contractions in a sentence, they often link or connect with the words that come before or after them. This is referred to as linking contractions with other words. Let's take this sentence, I'm going to the store. Notice how the contraction, I'm, connects smoothly with the word, going. We don't say, I'm going, with a pause, but rather, I'm going, almost as if it's one word. The best way to get the hang of this is through practice. Start by reading sentences out loud and trying to make the speech sound as smooth as possible. Pay special attention to how the contractions link with other words. Remember, the goal is to make it sound like natural, flowing speech. For instance, take the sentence, she's not coming to the party. Try saying it out loud, ensuring that she's not sounds fluid and linked. And that wraps up our lesson on using contractions in connected speech. Remember, mastering contractions and their use in connected speech can significantly improve your English pronunciation. So keep practicing, and you'll start to notice a change in your spoken English. We hope you found this video helpful, and as always, happy learning!